Human rights activist Omoyele Sowore, my people, this person where they talk about now, in fact, in list long, super long. For now, we don't know before he been get case with police, they be arrested before when they free and now so they talk to now serious matter they happen for court of law for Nigeria. And the fingers where they point and according to matter where reach me, they say now because he organized a candlelight procession and they charge him for criminal conspiracy, unlawful assembly, and what they call it, inciting public, in fact, public disturbance. Many things they against this person where they talk about. And according to the human rights activists now, into say because they see and they go, they enter court with babalawo or more. If una see, hey, if una see wetin, I mean put the picture of when they start to see wetin and they talk about. See how babalawo even dress. Court oh, no be say they go one traditional party or something. They carry babalawo enter court saying na him own this thing be that, and people come dey complain say how you go enter court with person wey dress like this. And according to Rami, come dey tell us say the babalawo sorry, him say no be babalawo, so him talk say the man no be babalawo, say make we stop dey call am babalawo, say na African man wey dress according to him belief. And the reason why he dress like that na because he wan discourage people wey dey look down on African tradition. Abeg make my mouth no draw everything out, you understand? So I wan make una see am with una own koro eyes. Join me, make we watch the video.
Every Nigerian can be represented in a court gallery, whether they are traditional priests, as you like to call them. And why would you call your own religion traditional when you call imported religions sophisticated or civilized? This is how we Africans undermine our own cultural beliefs and practices. So you see an African well-dressed in court expressing his religious rights and beliefs. You call him a herbalist. Is he wearing herbs on his head? Would you call somebody who is wearing a cassock a herbalist? Would you call somebody who is carrying a rosary and wearing a toupee on his head a herbalist? So this person here is a supporter of the movement.
Yay! Naija for life. When you think so you don't see everything, boom, season 2 go just appear. Nigeria. Oh, I'll go talk to who be the owner of Netflix. I need talk to her so that they go carry the whole country as one. Boom, put her for there. Oh boy, inside court. Sowore don't carry. In fact, you don't carry African insurance enter court. DSS operative they jakpa. Even judge himself. Judge go and join the case for another time, like because my people, if na you no go run. Just say abeg go this case we go leave am for another day because as e be now, e be like say himself he confused. So I no go keep person, my people. You no go he lost for this place. This one as I dey see am, like my mind just dey go for Sunday Igboho. E be like say Sunday Igboho na this man uncle. Because they the same steps, the same thing. This one, wetin we dey call spiritual ginger. Spiritual ginger, no be small thing. No, na just wahala dey. Na wetin sweet for all these government people. E sweet for una. Na wetin fit una be this. I no even know say una fit fear just cloth wey person wear. Una dey fear. Una never say anything. No. Una never even start. Nothing wrong, my people. See, everybody get their own religion. Everybody get their own belief. So tomorrow, if you decide to come outside based on your own traditional way, I mean, wear. You understand? I know they support anybody. I tell you this thing before. But if you won't come, if your tradition, they tell you say you go carry broom for head. Ngwanu they carry and they go now. See now, everybody don't they fear, everybody don't they run. Sunday Igboho don't prove to these people say na voodoo they need. Be like say na waiting transfer because I dey sure say this Sowore don call Sunday say bros how far na I get this thing wetin you think say I go do. Sunday come give am the idea because this thing wey happen in fact everybody it stunt the crowd. Nobody expected it. Imagine just enter, and this person wey we dey even dey talk about the last time wey I hear him matter, he carry bible. Now you come, you say na Jujuman. The next one wey go happen, wetin you go carry? Hey, chai! I just dey imagine if they call Jujuman now, start dey question am. You understand? You know that thing wey they do for court of law, where they go say, put your hand on your right hand here and repeat after me. Omo, now be say they no go fit use Bible for am. Wetin they go use? Nigeria na cruise. If you no dey Nigeria, I don't know where you dey, but you dey miss big time. All these things wey dey shele, you dey miss am. My people, now for here una go still get the updates. Whether they arrest am, wetin they talk, why they, you understand, many things, because as the judge don adjourn this case, the next one wey go happen, you go miss am. Now why una need subscribe? Because una go dey miss all these things, you understand? So start dey drop those comments for the comment section, and make sure say you share this video. Dey very important. Stay tuned for our next story. Odumeje in Daboski. You don't tell. I mean, it is say this man travel, my people. In matter don't land now from airport. Now from airport I go pick up. I just see this man with. In fact, the women I just say they reach like 10. If I'm not even the mistake. See how everybody they lay down their wrapper. So that the king go pass. The lion himself, the only iron metal. In fact, this man, he couldn't waka majestically. Hey. Make you not come be like say they exaggerate. You understand? Because my mouth too sweet. So join me. Make me watch In the Boski. Iberi basin. Last. Now only Nigeria coronavirus they affect. No, now waiting me I just see. Everybody they shout corona, wear your mask. But the real corona is there for Nigeria. Many of una go they laugh for this matter, but you know they funny. See how women they put wrapper for ground like say na God they come pass and go check them for house. They not even they respect their husband. They never for once put wrapper say make their husband go pass on top. No wonder no nonsense pastor even come talk am, because that one he be like say the matter don't over am, so he come out by himself. They tell us say na so women go dey daddy when they see their pastor daddy. But go see them for house, they call their husband Papa Chibuzo. I no just dey understand why African mentality, African men, why una mind just dey blocked? Why una mind just dey blocked? Una no fit just make una no dey give your pastor God's position. No carry God position. I don't say make una no respect una pastor biko no. Don't get me wrong. Respect your pastor, but no to the same way wetin you suppose they do for God, you can't they do it for man. And any pastor way they accept this kind of thing, because see, pastor suppose know on you say glory na for God. Any pastor way they behave like God, pride don't enter am. And the same Bible even tell us say pride comes before a fall. Meaning say before you fall down, pride don't. This man as I dey see am, I dey see pride. Say he raise shoulder, if I hear say my mama, I catch my mama for this kind of thing, that day she go sleep outside. No, I know the joke. You see that place where they put wrapper, she go sleep on top wrapper where they put by themselves. I'm not go open door. Which kind of embarrassment be this one? I don't just understand. And nobody even feel talk about and the man no even feel say, oh, don't worry. See people mama. Oh. If you know say your mama they there because their faces they show where, check out. if you know say your mama dey there because start dey do something. Women, hey. women. Anyhow, sha, then go say this vaccine now don land for Nigeria. Because you see these women when I just watch, now they need them pass. Una need them. This vaccine, una need them. Maybe the thing will correct some people's brain. You understand? I don't just understand. And as for this one, in the Boski, Odumeje, now only attention this man they like. Only attention since day one wey I know about this man. Attention, if you no come spray money, he go carry soldiers wey go shoot, abi police people wey go shoot. If you no do that one, he go cause problem. Na so he go scatter person, whether na wedding abi party. In fact, any small na just commotion. Na just commotion master. Omo, God get cases to solve. God, he get cases to solve on earth, and he get cases to judge after we leave this place. Seriously, and the work plenty. I just dey feel, I even dey feel for God. And women like this, hey, these women wanna just watch. You no go even dey easy. Say una go talk them out of this matter. Say, man, don't do this thing again. You no go dey easy because their brain don't enter. They don't wash them with soap, water, hypo, or even sanitizer self inside the brain. You no go dey easy. So I beg, if you know say your mama dey there, small start dey talk to her. Started talk to her because this one they don't put a partner make it pass. The next one, all of them go lie down, make the man climb on top. Wahala for who no get church. I bet my people now don't hear them. This one I bring them because what you sue me, I no fit carry am again. You understand? So start to drop those comments. Wait till you think. Wait till they cause all this thing and how we fit stop am. Drop am for that place. And now I need share this video so that everybody go, you understand, they go no say this thing supposed stop. Time don't reach, make it stop. You understand? Very, very important. And subscribe if you never subscribe so that you no go miss anything where we drop. Stay tuned for our next story.